How to install games on Playful Rewards app. So here's Playful Rewards app. And one of the best way to earn money within this app, and yep, you can earn money in here. So you can just install games. So here you have Play and Earn tab, where you can just tap on it, Play and Earn, and then that's just what you have. Then you have all kind of games which you can play. You can see how many coins you can get maximum, how many total coins you can get. It's just sorted by the amount of coins you can get. And you can also have my apps, and then you can see in here so that's Stadia, and then you see in here. So when you install the app, just for example, you will be redirected to the App Store. Install it and make sure to install all the tracking. Just allow all of this advanced tracking. You need to do that. Then open the app and create an account. Do not reinstall the app. Do not delete the app account. Don't do any of it. Just just open up the app and you can just continue from there. So that's basically the idea, what you can do. So something like that. And then that's just how you install it. To verify that the game is installed correctly, you need to see in here that in My Apps tab, you will see the app, the game, and then it should be button play now. It means that you installed it correctly, and then you just need to start playing. And then I would really recommend you to see what the task is, complete the task, earn coins, and then after you earn coins, just double check if they appear here in Playful Rewards. So that's what I would recommend you to do. And if it works, then everything is fine and you can continue playing.